The left brain, right brain concept is a popular belief that the brain's two hemispheres, the left and right, are responsible for different functions and that individuals can be either left-brained, logical, analytical, or right-brained, creative, intuitive, based on their dominant hemisphere. While it is true that different regions of the brain are responsible for different functions, such as language processing being primarily located in the left hemisphere, most complex tasks involve multiple regions of the brain working together in a coordinated manner. In fact, brain imaging studies have shown that the brain's hemispheres are highly interconnected and work together to perform most tasks. While it is true that some individuals may have a natural inclination or preference for certain types of activities, such as analytical or creative tasks, this is not necessarily related to a dominant hemisphere of the brain. The idea that someone is exclusively left-brained or right-brained is oversimplified and not supported by scientific evidence. In conclusion, the right brain, left brain myth is a popular but inaccurate belief about the brain's hemispheres and their respective functions. The reality is that most tasks involve multiple regions of the brain working together, and individuals are not necessarily left-brained or right-brained.